Hello guys, it is me, Ogochukwu Mark Mbwede, your AutoCAD 2022 instructor. So here we go again in today's class. But in today's class, we are going to be looking into another tool on the draw panel, which is the polyline. The polyline is just like the line command, but I will tell you the difference in the next video. So let us apply the polyline command. So now that I have clicked on the polyline command, it is asking me to also specify my start point, which is my first point. So I could actually apply it the same way in which I have applied the line command if you have watched my previous video, but at this point I don't want to do that. I want to do it in a different way in which I did the line command. So at this point now, it is asking us to specify first point. So I want to specify my first point. So how do I go about that? So now that it is telling you to specify start point, remember we have two numbers that are attached to that specify first point that's showing on your screen, and as you move your cursor, the values change. So those two numbers there represent your x and y axis. So how do we impute values into our x and y axis? So all you just need to do, once you click on your line or your polyline, then just specify the point in which you want to start from. So how do you actually do that? You come to your cursor currently is on your x-axis, then just impute let me see 13 on your x-axis, and click on tab on your computer. It will move to the y-axis, and then just click on 23 there and press enter. Then you see that I have just started moving my cursor towards the x-axis, and the value towards the x-axis will increase. And then if I want to move it towards my x-axis, I can just move my mouse towards the x-axis and input any value that I want. Let me input 50, and I click enter. I have made a straight line which is 50 in length on my x-axis, and I can take it up and just say, okay, since I'm moving up, let me just click on 30 here also, and that is it. So I can continue and clicking randomly if I want, just like how I did when I was doing my line command. So any of this, so that is just it, and you press escape to actually exit that command. So that's how the polyline is being used. So I know that so that's how the polyline is being used. The difference between line and polyline will be discussed on our next class. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next class.